Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Accord mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Having a clean cloth and a safe spot for parts will also be helpful. Remember to work slowly and carefully to prevent any scratches or damage to your vehicle's paint or interior trim during the process. Next, you will need to access the mirror's mounting area. Begin by carefully prying off the small, triangular plastic trim piece located on the inside of the door, directly behind the mirror. Using a plastic trim tool is highly recommended to avoid scratching your door panel. If this trim piece has any electrical connectors, such as for a tweeter speaker, gently disconnect them before setting the trim aside. Now, let's remove the mirror assembly itself. First, locate the main electrical harness connected to the mirror and carefully disconnect it. You will then find 3 nuts or bolts, typically 8 or 10 millimeters, holding the mirror to the door frame. Loosen these fasteners. It is crucial to support the mirror with one hand before removing the very last nut or bolt to prevent it from falling and sustaining damage. To reinstall, carefully feed the mirror's electrical wire through the opening in the door. Position the new mirror, aligning its studs with the holes, and then hand tighten the 3 nuts or bolts. Finish tightening them with your wrench, but avoid over-torquing. Reconnect the main electrical harness and any other electrical connectors. Finally, snap the interior plastic trim piece back into its original position, ensuring it is securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.